Welcome to another STEM Family Challenge tutorial video. My name is Todd, and today we're going to talk about the Float Your Boat activity, where families are going to be presented with a half stick of modeling clay that they have to mold together to make float. This activity works best in a cafeteria. You're going to need access to water and some flat tables, and the cafeteria works best for that. So for this activity, you're going to need to set up 5 stations that 2 families will share. Each station is going to have a dishpan half full of water, a rolling pin with some parchment paper, some washers that will serve as weights, and some paper towels. Paper towels are not included in the kit, so make sure you grab some for this activity that it will be needed. Another thing you're going to have to do ahead of time is for prep is to cut the clay sticks of clay in half. Kit will come with a pair of scissors and 40 sticks of clay. Just make sure you have them all cut in half ahead of time because we want to present each family with half a stick of clay. All right, as the families come in, have them go to a testing station. Again, 2 families per testing station. Hand each family at least 1 half stick of clay. Give them the opportunity to start to mold the clay and test it out and whenever they'd like. Couple tips: if they want to use a rolling pin to help roll the clay out, we suggest using some parchment paper. Make a sheet, put the clay in the parchment paper, and roll it out. That way the parchment paper will keep the clay from sticking to the rolling pin or the table. Once they have a boat and they want to try it out, I have one here. All they have to do is take their boat, place it in the water, and hope it floats. And it does. And once it floats, they can start adding washers to see how many washers before the boat sinks. Once the boat sinks, this is the best part of the activity. You take it out, you dry it off, and you get to go do it again. You can test it as many times as you want in your 10 to 15 minutes, and the goal is to see how many washers you can get before the boat sinks. When you are done, have the families clean up the washers, remove them out of the water, dry them off, clean the table for the next families that come in. And also when they're done, they should write their name and how many washers their boat held, and they can put that on the recording sheet for other classes or other families to see as they come through the activity. So once again, float your boat. It's lots of fun. Enjoy it.